Hello and welcome to my mobile programming channel. In this video, I am going to give you introduction about package management. In the Linux distribution, a package refers to a compressed files, achieve containing all of the files that come with a particular application. These files are usually stored in the package according to their relative installation path on your system. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install packages and update the packages on your system. I am using Linux on Android device. If you don't know how to use Linux distribution on Android device, then don't worry. In the I button, you can check it. Let's start it. But the first thing we have to update the repositories index. So, what do you mean by repositories? Every Linux distribution, released most them, you have the concept of repositories. Repositories is online server that contain one or more packages. Most of the time your Linux distribution have a choice. You have a main repositories where everything comes from, other repositories that will basically contain packages. Now, we are going to using apt, spelled A-P-T, series of commands in this video, but important to know these commands are specific to Debian and Ubuntu, and distribution that are based on Debian and Ubuntu. This command will work because we are using the Linux distribution that support like apt series of commands, and each distribution has own package management repositories. But it is important to understand the concept of package management is meaning that your packages come from online sources, similar to App Store, Play Store, on the other platform. Please note that it will not update your packages, it will only update the list of the packages. Press Enter. So, what are you seeing on the screen? Here, these are the lists of servers that have basically reached out to you to download the indexes from. Some of these come from Termux themselves, but we can also see repositories that didn't come from Termux. Anyway, we can see that the command was successful. It says reading package list, so it basically read all of the contents of these repositories. It then rebuilt the dependency tree and state information. So, now that we have updated the packages index, what can we actually do with that? So, we can search for packages on the command line. So, we can simply do apt search. So, I want to install Python. I could just simply search for Python and press enter, then it's going to give me a list of results here. So obviously, it's going to give me basically any packages that include Python in the name or description. So, there's going to be quite a bit here, but you could just basically scroll up here, and we start seeing the actual Python packages. Remaining part, we will cover in the upcoming video. Stay connected to our channel. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share with your friends.